my dear friends, today I have recipe mini apple pancake with raisin. What we need for this recipe? We need 2 apples, 1 egg, we need 1 tablespoon sugar, 5 tablespoons flour, a little bit salt, and 2 tablespoons raisin. I put in the hot water and 10 minutes you have to wait, then raisin gonna be soft. First of all, we have to shred apple on this side of grater. I shredded apple. I added 1 tablespoon sugar, raisin, and 1 egg. Mix it together. And now we added flour. And a little bit salt. I take a non-stick pan and preheated this pan, and then put a pan spray, and now we're gonna put a pancake, a little mini pancake inside. We fried the golden brown color. You can see this color. One side is ready. We're gonna do another side. Okay, my dear friends, my mini pancakes are ready. If you like powdered sugar, you can use a powdered sugar for the mini pancakes. If you like sour cream, you can use sour cream. And if you like my video and enjoy this recipe, okay, subscribe to my channel. Bon appetit, my dear friends.